today we are going to draw Grogu, or Baby Yoda. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to draw a nice curved line towards the top of our page. About that big, okay? So it's not quite as arched as a U. It's kind of like a very flattened out U, okay? Now for his ears, we're going to start at the line we just ended there, and we're going to go into a curved line that goes up and around like that. And it's all pretty flat, okay? Let's do another curved line on this side. I'm going to go up, slightly down, and then slightly back up. Now at the ends of the ears, we're just going to make a little bit of a rounded end to it, like that. And then you can follow the same shape all the way back up towards the head. So whatever wavy line you had at the top for your ear, you're going to do the same thing on the bottom. Let's do the same thing on this side. You're going to go back towards the head in your wavy line and then stop when you get to that end there. Now before we draw kind of like the inside part of his ear, let's draw his cheeks, okay? So we're going to start from this line here. We're going to go into a curved line like this. Okay. So that it's almost like halfway towards the middle of his face. You're going to do the same thing on this side, but you're not going to connect the two lines, okay? So watch me first. You're going to go down into your curved line, all the way down, but don't connect the two lines, okay? Because we have to draw his chin. What's so cute about Baby Yoda, or Grogu as we know? Sorry, it's a little bit of a spoiler if you haven't seen the latest Mandalorian, but his little mouth is so cute. And part of what makes it so cute is he has this little chin like this, just like a little curved line. Okay, now that we have most of his face, let's finish off his ears. So from the ends of the ears, you're just gonna go down into a curved line, and then all the way until you get to his face. Okay, so it's a little bit of a wavy line actually, rather than a curved line, because it kind of goes back up towards the end. You're gonna do the same thing over here. Now he has these huge ears, right? So you're gonna go from here down into your curved line until you touch his cheek. Okay. Now he has really big eyes, but they're not quite circles, okay? They're kind of like oval shapes. So we're gonna do, in the middle of his face, we're gonna do one here and one here, okay? So you're gonna do your big shapes, kind of oval shaped, see? And then another big one on this side. It's okay if they're not exactly the same size. Now let's give it a little bit of a highlight by drawing a big circle towards the upper right. And same here, your circle towards the top. Now if you're using a black pen already, you can go ahead and color this part in so that it doesn't look so creepy. But if you're just using a pencil right now, you can either color it in with pencil or wait until later when you're coloring. Have you guys been watching The Mandalorian? I'm assuming if you are drawing Baby Yoda, then you are, or you at least know what this little guy looks like. He's so cute. We actually learn in the latest episode what his name is. That's why I keep calling him Grogu instead of Baby Yoda. But I keep forgetting and calling him Baby Yoda anyway, so. Okay, so here we have our huge eyes. Now, what's gonna help make it look like Baby Yoda is we have to add some detail to these eyes, okay? So we're gonna draw basically an upside down U, starting here, going up and around his eye, like that, okay? We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we start here, go up and around his eye, like that. Okay. Now we're gonna do another line below his eye, just kind of a curved line that matches the shape of the eye that you drew. So just like that. And let's draw another one on this side here too, okay? Couple more lines for the eyes. We're gonna do one above, curved line like this. And of course, on the other side, the same thing. So he kind of has a lot of wrinkles, right? Let's draw a couple of wrinkles coming off of his eye in this direction. So I'm gonna do like 3. 1, 2, 3. Same on the other side, you guessed it. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm gonna do his mouth before we do his nose, just that we know how much space we have to put his nose, okay? Now, his mouth is super cute, right? It's kind of like a smile, but he kind of always looks a little bit grumpy. So in order to do this, we're gonna start with a line like this, okay? So it starts like towards the cheek and goes up towards his head. Then you're gonna curve it down into a smile and then back down, okay? So it's like a half smile, kind of grumpy, kind of happy. You never really know. Okay, so now we see that we have all this space here to put his nose. So to do his nose, I'm gonna do it really simple. I'm gonna do it in between his two eyes, okay? So you're gonna start with a tiny upside down U, because his nose is very small. And then underneath, you have to do the nostrils. The nostrils are very tiny, so you're gonna do like one little curved line. You're gonna go down in a little bit of a bigger curved line. And then one more, okay? Now let's do a few more lines just to give him some extra detail. I'm gonna do, like for his chin, I'm gonna do another little line there. Okay, and then let's give him some wrinkles on his forehead because he has some. So I'm gonna start on this side and I'm just gonna do kind of like a wavy line all the way towards the other side. And you can do as many as you can fit. I'm just gonna do 2. Okay. There we go. I'm trying to see if there's anything else I should add to him. Oh, how about some hair? Let's draw like just little lines coming out of the top of his head because he kind of has like that fuzzy little head. Okay, there we go. So I think we're pretty good with his face. If you guys want to do any more like little wrinkles on him, you can. Like maybe there's another one coming out of this part of the eye, this part of the eye. You guys can add more wrinkles if you want, but I'm gonna leave mine there, okay? So now let's draw his like big fluffy coat. So his coat like part of another reason why he looks so cute is that his coat's just like so big for him, right? So we're gonna start from his ear to make it look like the collar's really big. So I'm gonna start about here. I'm gonna draw a line down. Then I'm gonna draw a wavy line until about his chin, okay? And then I'm gonna draw a line up. This is like the collar of his coat. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So we're gonna start about here on his ear. You're gonna draw a line down. And then a curvy line over until you get to the line that you just did, okay? So there's this very big collar. Now let's draw his arms. So from about here, you're gonna draw another wavy line to show his big coat. Just about there, okay? So it's not too long. And then you're gonna draw a line heading in that direction, kind of like a diagonal line. On our other side, we're gonna do the same thing. So let's start here. We'll do a little bit of a wavy line. And then another wavy line in a diagonal towards that way, the other way. Okay, so we'll draw his hands in a minute. Let's draw the rest of the coat. So we're gonna start about here, and then again, kind of just like a wavy line. You're gonna go a little bit past where you ended your sleeve. Okay, so just a little bit past, and then you can do a wavy line all the way on the bottom. And then we're gonna do the same thing on this side. Give you a second to catch up if you haven't already. So we're gonna start about here. Let's do our wavy line down. Okay, and then just kind of connect it if they didn't connect when you were drawing it. So super, super simple. Let's add a few details onto his jacket. We'll save the hardest part, which will be his hands, when we're done with the coat, okay? So we're gonna draw a straight line here. This is kind of just like the cuffs of his jacket. Okay. Now we're gonna draw a little slightly wavy line down here. Actually, we're gonna draw 3 wavy lines, okay? 2 that are very close together. And then another one that's a little bit further away. This is kind of just like the middle part of his jacket, probably how he puts it on. Okay, you guys ready to do his hands? I mean, even these are gonna be easy. I didn't mean to make you nervous that they're gonna be hard. So he has like those little fingers with really long nails, okay? So on this side, we're just gonna do a curved line, almost as if you're about to draw like a backwards J, okay? And then you can just end it with like a little bit of a curved line. And then you're just gonna do 2 more shapes just like that. So 1 and 2. Okay, so it's okay if your lines are a little bit wavy. They're a little bit more rounded than me. It's totally fine. Now for his little nails, we're just gonna add tiny little U shapes at the end of his fingers, of each of his 3 fingers, okay? Now for this one, we're gonna draw his thumb first. So you're gonna draw kind of like a U shape. And then the other part of his hand, it's gonna come out of his jacket, out and around, and then his 2 fingers. So 1 finger and 2, okay? And then again, let's give him his little fingernails So there we go. Let's give it our ground line. So I'm just gonna draw a line here. I'm gonna jump over his coat. I'm gonna go continue straight there, okay? So here's my finished drawing. I'm gonna speed up this part so that I can color it and you guys can see what the finished picture will be, okay? So I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, here's our finished picture of Baby Yoda. Hopefully yours came out awesome. I'm sure it did. Thanks for joining me again, and I'll see you guys back here soon, okay? Bye! If you guys liked making art with me today, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my new videos. Hope to see you back here again soon.